Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mohammed Saim Khan, and we are in week 9 of this business tourism course. And in today's video, we'll be having a discussion on ICPB, India Convention Promotional Bureau. So there will be introduction, of course, in India about ICPB, its venues, aims and objectives, memberships, benefits, how can ICPB members be helpful, importance of ICPB, and then conclusion. So let's start. The MICE segment has emerged as a substantially high component of growth in inbound tourism. Most countries constantly endeavor to attract MICE clientele through bids for various international conventions, conferences, seminars, and the likes. India is projected as a credible MICE destination through an impressive combination of accommodation and other conference support facilities to hold a successful conference. ICPB was conceived in 1988 as a collaborative effort between the private and public sectors. The aim is to promote India as an attractive and viable MICE destination. The ICPB is sponsored by the Ministry of Tourism and the Government of India. Their aim is to make India the chosen destination for conferences and conventions of any sort. There is a growing popularity in India amongst corporations in Europe and Asia. Today, ICPB is the apex travel industry grouping that can truly boast of participation from the entire industry. It draws its membership from the hospitality industry and educational and state bodies. ICPB represents the entire travel industry to showcase the best of India's MICE products to the world. India is in a constant process of upgrading its MICE facilities. As an emerging globalized service industry, MICE is especially valued by national government for its high growth potential, highly beneficial innovations, large opportunities for employment, large industry associations, and the efficient utilization of assets. The Indian government realizes the fact that the long-term sustainability of conference business can be ensured through building an extensive network of allied infrastructure, which ranges from availability of hotel rooms, excellent connectivity to the venue, a well-developed transport network, and other tourist attractions. The government is providing financial support for developing international convention centers and tourism-related infrastructure. ICPB is the only travel industry body with participation from the entire MICE industry, with members from state governments, hotels, airlines, tour operators, travel agents, professional conference organizers, event managers, educational institutions, and more. The endeavor of ICPB is to have highly developed convention centers all over the world to make India the preferred destination. The ICPB has been set up under the patronage of Ministry of Tourism, as I just told you, to promote India as a venue for international exhibitions and conferences. This non-profit organizations with members, I just told you, all the agencies participate in international MICE tourism trade fairs like IMEX in Frankfurt and Las Vegas, IEBTM in Barcelona, and AIME in Melbourne, along with the India Tourism Overseas Offices. India is also being promoted as a preferred MICE destination through the Global Incredible India Media Campaign and through road shows and seminars conducted by the India Tourism Offices overseas. The Ministry of Tourism also provides central financial assistance for setting up convention centers as part of the scheme for large revenue generating projects. Now, let's talk about the vision. So it's not venues, okay, don't get confused. It's vision of ICPB to position India as an attractive MICE destination for competing successfully with other destinations through a 360-degree targeted marketing campaign, for achieving top-notch position among the prime MICE destinations globally, and to adopt best sustainable practices followed globally in the MICE industry. Now, let's talk about the venues. Some of the laudable venues are Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi, Hyderabad International Convention Center at Hyderabad, Leonia International Center for Exhibition and Conventions, LICEC Hyderabad, HITEX Hyderabad, JECC Jaipur, Clark's Bridge Convention Center, Jaipur, India Expo Mart, Greater Noida, Bombay Exhibition and Convention Center in Mumbai, NCPA Mumbai, JP Hotels and International Convention Center, Agra, Bangalore International Exhibition Center, Brilliant Convention Center, Indore, some important hotel chains like the Taj Group, ITC Welcome Group, the Oberoi's Le Meridian Hotels, the Ashok Group, Accor Group, Carlson Hotels, Radisson Hotels, the Lalit, the Leela. They also provide excellent conference facilities. India provides facilities including convention centers, exhibition centers, conference and banquet halls, accommodation in 5-star and 4-star hotels, restaurants, and bars. So, ICPB was conceived in 1998 as a collaborative effort, as I just told you. The aim is to promote India as an attractive and viable MICE destination. We had done this much. So it's sponsored by Ministry of Tourism and Government of India. Right. So today ICPB is the apex travel industry grouping that can truly boast of participation from the entire industry. And let's talk about further aims. So it's to undertake a continuing program of creating better awareness of the role and benefits of MICE in the context of national objectives, and to collect both primary and secondary sources, relevant information that could be used to develop a data bank and to disseminate such information to the membership. And of course, to promote India as a competent and credible MICE destination. Further, to undertake research for development for India's MICE industry and disseminate that information, and to undertake a continuing marketing program through media to motivate national associations to bid for conventions, etc., to encourage the growth of professionalism in the MICE segments and evolve an industry code of ethics. To provide necessary guidance and feedback to the central government and advise state governments in development of infrastructure and facilities for MICE segments. Next aim, you can say, or objective, to conduct seminars, group discussions, courses of study, and organize exchange of visits between Indian organizations and relevant world organizations, and to seek affiliations with world bodies with similar aims and objectives. So let's talk about membership of ICPB. The membership of ICPB will be under the following 6 categories: active, allied, observer, patrons, which is honorary, lifetime, and associate. So how ICPB members be helpful? Well, in the budgeting of the event and worldwide promotion and publicity of event, including production of promotional material, airport reception and departures, accounts and audit, conceptualization of the conference marketing, conference venue selection and management, registration management, accommodation in all categories of the hotel, airport facilitation, transportation, communication system, which exhibition designing and installation, and designing of signage. What else? Social events in pre and post conference tours and accompanying person program, and conference visa facilitation. And what are the benefits to members? Well, you'll have increased exposure and opportunities for business networking, upgrading of professional skills through training programs, free listing on ICPB's website and members directory, and promotion on social media pages of ICPB, participation in the conventions India conclave for showcasing products or services to the clients across the world, and also networking with potential buyers at nominal cost, and eligibility for assistance under MDA scheme of Ministry of Tourism for bidding for international conventions. Next, sharing of business leads, it's for only for the active category members. Part of decision making by contributing your inputs for submission of proposal to the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. Participation in the international trade shows like IMEX Las Vegas, IMEX Frankfurt, etc. under India Tourism stand at nominal cost, again only for active members. Participation in the international road show at nominal cost, and again only for active members. So ICPB facilitates and support event planners and other related organizations during the bidding process for international conferences. The areas in which the assistance of the Bureau expertise could be sought are as follows: detailed budgeting of the event, worldwide promotion and publicity of event, booking of accommodation and convention venues, organizing social and cultural programs, parties and catering services, sightseeing, pre and post conference tours, special interests and leisure activities, airport receptions and transportation, inaugural and closing ceremonies, recording and printing of proceedings, simultaneous interpretation, public relations, protocol accounts, and audit. So the MICE segment has, emerged as a substantially high component of growth in inbound tourism. Most countries constantly endeavor to attract MICE clientele through bids, as we had discussed. Okay, the Ministry of Tourism has made the ICPB the nodal agency for steering the entire scheme of assistance under MDA, Market Development Assistance, to its active members, who in turn would motivate Indian travel planners, societies, associations towards bidding for international conventions, conferences to the country. ICPB is the only travel industry body with participation from the entire MICE industry, as we had discussed, with members from like all the areas. It's a unique travel industry organization encompassing the whole MICE business. Its membership includes representatives from state governments, hotels, airlines, tour operators, travel agencies, etc. The goal and objectives of ICPB include, among other things, promoting India as a conference destination and increasing the number of conferences held there via various initiatives aimed at raising public awareness of the value of conventions and congresses in achieving national goals. So I think that's all from my side. So thank you for active listening. Have a nice day. Take care.